Hello friends, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to Punjabi Charm YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. In the previous video, we have learned all the Gurmukhi sounds or lagamatras. In this video, we will learn few words for Mukta sound. Before learning the words, let's revise what we have learned about Mukta in the previous video. Mukta means liberation or free, and Mukta sound does not have any symbol. In English, Mukta has sound similar to the letter A, as in another or about. Punjabi example we have learned of null, and null is formed with nanna mukta na, lalla mukta la, null. Null means water tap. Let's learn some words for Mukta sound. The first word we will learn is null. Null. Null means water tap. To read null, we can say nanna mukta na, lalla mukta la, null. You can notice there is no symbol for the Mukta sound here with nanna, and there is no symbol for Mukta sound with lalla. So we can say nanna mukta na and lalla mukta la, null. Null. You can repeat after me, null. Let's move to the next word. The next word is kar. Kar means home. To read kar, we can say kagga mukta ka, rara mukta ra, kar. Kar. You can repeat after me, kar. Let's move to the next word. The next word is phal. Phal. Phal means fruit. To read phal, we can say faffa mukta fa, lalla mukta la, phal. Phal. You can repeat after me, phal. Let's move to the next word. The next word is jal. Jal. Jal means water. To read jal, we can say jajja mukta ja and lalla mukta la, jal. Jal. You can repeat after me, jal. Let's move to the next word. The next word is kamal. Kamal. Kamal means lotus. This is a 3-akhar word or 3-letter word. Kakka mukta ka, mamma mukta ma, lalla mukta la, kamal. You can repeat after me, kamal. Let's move to the next word. The next word is shabad. Shabad. Shabad means word. Shasha mukta sha, babba mukta ba, dadda mukta da, shabad. You can repeat after me, shabad. You can notice there is no symbol for mukta with shasha, babba or dadda. So this is shabad. Let's move to the next word. The next word is garam. Garam. Garam means hot. Gagga mukta ga, rara mukta ra, mamma mukta ma, garam. You can repeat after me, garam. Let's move to the next word. The next word is kalam. Kalam. Kalam means pen. Kakka mukta ka, lalla mukta la, mamma mukta ma. Kalam. Kalam. You can repeat after me. Kalam. Let's check out next word. The next word is button. Button. Button has the same English meaning button. Babba mukta ba, tanka mukta ta, ninna mukta na. Button. Button. You can repeat after me. Button. Let's check out next word. The next word is sadak. Sadak. Sadak means road. To read this word, we can say sassa mukta sa, rada mukta da, kakka mukta ka. Sadak. Sadak. You can repeat after me. Sadak. Let's move to the next word. The next word is mutter. Mutter. Mutter means pea. To read mutter, we can say mamma mukta ma, tanka mukta ta, rara mukta ra, mutter. Mutter. Let's move to the next word. The next word is kanak. Kanak. Kanak means wheat. Kakka mukta ka, nana mukta na, kakka mukta ka. Kanak. You can repeat after me. Kanak. Let's check out next word. The next word is parbat. Parbat means mountain. This is a 4-letter or 4-akhar word. Pappa mukta pa, rara mukta ra, babba mukta ba, tatta mukta ta. Parbat. Parbat. You can repeat after me. Parbat. Let's check out next word. The next word is shalgam. Shalgam. Shalgam means turnip. Let's check out how to say this word. Shasha mukta sha, lalla mukta la, gagga mukta ga, bamma mukta ma. Shalgam. Shalgam. You can repeat after me. Shalgam. Let's check out last word in this series. Last word is adrak. Adrak. Adrak means ginger. To read adrak, we can say ada mukta a, dadda mukta da, rara mukta ra, kakka mukta ka. Adrak. Adrak. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning Punjabi. Sat Shri Akal.